Garlic might be the most satisfying vegetable you can grow. You plant it in fall, largely ignore it all winter, and dig up a full head of garlic the following summer for every single clove you put in the ground. It's one of the best returns on investment in the garden. But there are a few things you need to get right to harvest large, flavorful bulbs consistently. Garlic is planted in fall, typically 4 to 8 weeks before the ground freezes, so October or November in most climates. This timing allows roots to establish before winter dormancy. In warm climates with mild winters, plant in late fall or early winter. Start with quality seed garlic from a garden center or online supplier, not grocery store garlic, which is often treated to inhibit sprouting and may carry disease. Choose between hardneck and softneck varieties. Hardneck garlic produces larger, more flavorful cloves and is best in cold climates. Softneck garlic stores longer and is better for mild climates. Break the head apart into individual cloves right before planting. Don't break them apart early or they'll dry out. Plant each clove pointy end up, 2 inches deep, and about 6 inches apart in rows 12 inches apart. The bigger the clove, the bigger the bulb it produces. Fertilize at planting with a balanced fertilizer or compost worked into the bed. When green shoots emerge in spring, side dress with a nitrogen-rich fertilizer to push leafy growth, which builds bulb size. In June, hardneck garlic sends up a curling flower stalk called a scape. Cut this off when it makes one full curl. This redirects the plant's energy into bulb development rather than flowering. Scapes are delicious sautéed in butter or blended into garlic pesto. Harvest timing is critical. When about half the lower leaves have turned brown and dried, it's time to harvest, usually late June to July. Dig carefully with a fork rather than pulling to avoid damaging the bulbs. Let them cure in a dry, well-ventilated space for 3 to 4 weeks before storing. Proper curing is what gives garlic its long shelf life. Softneck garlic stored properly can last 6 to 12 months. Save your best, largest bulbs to replant in fall, and your garlic patch will sustain itself indefinitely. Are you growing garlic this year? Hardneck or softneck? Let me know in the comments. I love talking garlic varieties. Subscribe if you want step-by-step guides like this for every vegetable in the garden. Like the video if it helped, and I'll see you Sunday.